Hey, I'm Justin.
And I'm Scott.
And guess what?
We living for love. Hey guys, we are here at the Grand Sierra Resort. We got a Grand Deluxe King room. They really like the word grand. Mm-hmm. Yeah. So we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna go ahead and show you this room, give you the experience of what it's like to stay here.
So, this room is, I'm not going to say amazing again, because I always say amazing.
He does.
So, it's magnificent.
Oh, opulent.
It's amazing. Well, hello. We are here in the amazing Grand Sierra. I'm gonna give you an amazing tour of the room. And I'm into the restroom. So we have an amazing sink. It's one sink, obviously. One bowl. And over here is the water area, because it's not a water room.
Can I point out, by the way, dear listener, he's a little tipsy. We did one of our bar reviews before this, and he having some wine.
Well, yeah. Well, I had a Cosmo, and now I'm having some wine, and I probably shouldn't mix the two, but we'll see how I am tomorrow during breakfast.
That wine is delish.
Right?
Show us.
Here
Take us on a
is
tour, man.
a shower big enough for 3 or 4 or 5 with the door open.
That's what he usually puts on profiles. So, pros for this room. The area right next to the door is actually like sort of a bar area, has a really nice sized fridge for a hotel room, really good dark granite in the bedroom, or in the bedroom. Really good dark granite in the bathroom. Mm-hmm. So that's a really nice feature. It's got an upscale bathroom, large shower.
So we've talked about this before. Mm-hmm. I actually prefer a lighter colored tile or granite, you know.
Yeah, it's a little dim.
I like it more Wynn, Las Vegas.
Yeah, nice look.
But this one, well, you know what? Actually, Wynn does have some dark tile or granite marbling, but I love the lighter side of it.
He's more of a tan, beige, minimalist look.
Minimalist.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, minimalism is my thing. And the dark just makes it seem dark, you know.
Dingy almost.
Dingy.
I'm sorry, I'm calling it as I see it. The carpet is like this dark brown. We're not even giving the pros.
Oh my God.
Pros. I swear there are pros.
There are pros in this room.
If you love dark granite, if you love dark, this is a great room for you.
Yes.
I'm not a big fan personally, and neither are you, obviously. but it's also got like a separate seating area. Yes. So there is a couch, there is a high back chair, there's this ottoman kind of thing that we're sitting on that's up against this painting.
Yeah, the artwork is amazing.
Yeah, the artwork is great.
The color scheme in the room
We're trying so hard to find positives.
We're doing damage control.
Right.
Okay, so.
And I like the style of the coffee table kind of unit.
The coffee table.
So let's go ahead.
The headboard. I love the headboard.
Yes, actually, that is a really nice, classy headboard.
Yeah, it's grand. Get it?
Right.
Grand Sierra.
Exactly.
The headboard is so
grand.
This mirror over here is amazing. Get that mirror. Beautiful. And then you come over here. This room is meant to be divided if needed. I guess that's as far as it's gonna go.
Is it that tough?
There's a screw.
There's a screw. Oh my God, it's literally not meant to go farther than that.
Okay.
There's Justin.
Hello.
As per usual, he couldn't resist being in a hotel room without testing out the iron.
And not using an iron. I know, but so let me see. Let me let you know. This actually is pretty good. There's not that much water in it, and for those of you who know about irons, depending on what you're going for, there's a lot of wrinkles, you need some water to press those, steam out those wrinkles. But this one is really good. There are a couple of wrinkles in this shirt, mine too. So don't come for me in the comments below and tell me about my shirt being wrinkled. Absolutely. They're gonna be like, you need to iron your own
Absolutely
shirt.
do. Absolutely come for him.
Yes. So anyway, yeah. So no, this is a nice iron. This is Sunbeam.
It's either Sunbeam or
Conair.
Conair
or
whatever.
Is it Conair? I don't know.
I thought there was one that started with an H. Something Beach. Hamilton Beach?
Hamilton Beach.
There you go.
There you go.
Those are the three, and yet he reviews an iron every time we stay at a hotel. It's amazing.
Yeah, well, I like my irons.
Always deep in your thoughts about one subject.
I know. Martha Stewart ironing her sheets.
Still ridiculous?
Well, I think that if she takes the time to iron her sheets, people should take the time to iron their shirts.
Do you guys agree? Comment below.
Until next time on Justin's Pressing Thoughts.
The bed seems a little firm to me. That might be good for people with bad backs though, so maybe that's a pro for somebody with a bad back. Mm-hmm. But it was a little bit like, oof, that is an unyielding bed.
Yeah, it is. It's more firm than what we're used to, but
yeah.
But still not cheap firm.
No, it is. It does seem like a really good quality mattress.
Good quality mattress, but so that's more of a neutral instead of a con. Con for him.
Con for me.
Yeah. Pro for me.
Right. It's going to be, but I guess all things depend.
Yeah. The view. This room does get a view of the lake.
It also has, moving into cons, a spectacular view of the airport.
Some people might like to see the airport and the planes flying in and out, but
Yeah, I suppose that's an aesthetic choice. Similarly, like I mentioned with the darkness, if you like dark, this is the room for you.
Yeah.
It seems very dim to me. We had to open up the window so that we get enough light for this video. That's reality.
It is.
That is reality.
Just what it is. Yeah.
None of the seating is really ergonomic.
No.
So for somebody with a bad back,
yes. The only chair that's really ergonomic in the room would probably be the office,
Like the desk chair?
Yeah, the desk chair, which I think is important because if you're working and you're out sitting there for hours,
It's great for some work that you need to do.
Yeah, some work. So, okay, go ahead. Let's get to those cons.
But we're halfway in them already, obviously.
Mirrors. If you love mirrors,
Apparently, we're gonna go back to the pros.
yes.
Mirrors. One mirror.
There is one big mirror next to the bed.
Right.
I'd want that in my house.
It's pretty nice.
Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so you're notified when videos like this come out. And if you're a lover of life, share this video with others for this grand deluxe king room.
And don't forget to follow the Instagram.
See you next time.
See you next time. Thank you guys.
Bye.
What the fuck was that?
Art.